Let us understand how to solve linear system by elimination. Question number 6. 3x plus 2y equals to 4 and 2x minus 3y equals to 7. Now in this equation, as we see, coefficients of the variables are not same. So we have to make them same. Now first let us decide which variable to eliminate. Let us say we want to eliminate y. Now the question is how to make their coefficients same. If I multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, then their coefficients will be 6, and by adding them we can eliminate y. So let's do that. So that is the strategy. So let's first number our equations. So we have equation number 1 and 2. So in the first step, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply equation 1 by 3, right? The coefficient of equation 2. If I do that, I get 9x plus 6y equals to 3 times 4 is 12. And then I'll multiply equation 2 by 2. If I multiply this by 2, I get 6y, right? So I have 4x minus 6y equals to 2 times 7 as 14. Right? As you can see, coefficients of y are exactly same. If I add these two equations, then we can eliminate y, right? So let's add them up. So before that, let me call this equation as equation 3, and this is my equation number 4. If I add them up, that means I'm trying to add equation 3 and equation 4. In that case, 9 plus 4 is 13. I get 13x as equal to 6y minus 6y is 0, 12 plus 14, which is 26. Now x is equals to 26 divided by 13, or we can say x is equals to 2. So by eliminating y, we have solved for x, and we got value of x as 2. Now since we know x is 2, we can substitute x as 2 in one of our equations and find the value of y, correct? So let's do that. So we know x is equals to 2. We can sub this in equation, let us say 1. In that case, we get 3 times 2 plus 2y equals to 4, which is 6 plus 2y equals to 4, or 2y equals to 4 minus 6, which is minus 2, and y is equals to minus 2 divided by 2, which is minus 1. So now our solution is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 1. So the point of intersection between these two lines is basically 2 comma minus 1, right? So that forms a coordinate point for these two lines, right? So that is the solution. So this is how we can find solution using method of elimination. You can always check whether the solution is right or wrong by substituting 2 for x and minus 1 for y in the original equation, right? We got this from equation 1. To check, it is better idea to substitute 2 and minus 1 in equation 2, right? Let's check it. It is not a part of this solution, but it is always a good practice. So we'll check from equation 2 whether the solution is right or wrong. So we can place 2 as the value of x. So we get 2 times 2 minus 3 times minus 1. Now 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times minus 1 gives us minus 3, which will make it plus 3. 4 plus 3 is indeed 7, right? So since we get 7, which is same as the right side, so our solution is correct, right? So that is the correct solution indeed. So that is how you can check also your solution. I hope with this you understand how elimination method can be applied to solve linear systems. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and watch similar questions. Thank you and all the best.